I'm going to eat it before it gets cold.
Have you pressed the button?
Aye.
Why can't you use your chopsticks, Stephen?
I'm rubbish.
I teach
Do
you
you
how
want some duck?
What is it, duck?
It's duck, go on. Use your chopsticks. Got it?
That's how you steal food.
Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh, nom nom.
I can't believe it.
Fork. Chopsticks.
Use your bloody sticks. Go on, have a go. Put that down.
Fuck off. Right. Nom nom nom.
It's the last supper. We go home tomorrow. It's really disrespectful not to use your
Well, what a load of
chopsticks.
rubbish, man. We're in,
Oh, you're such an ignorant twat.
we're in Slovakia, man.
No, you're in a Vietnamese restaurant. Your duck's nice.
Duck is superb. You've eaten all your prawns.
Well,
Yours is really healthy, though.
I need to be healthy. Oh,
Hey, a prawn.
mamma mia.
Mamma mia.
Does it matter?
Yum.
Nobody can understand us anyway.
Damn mackums. It's not bad at all, actually.
It's pretty simple, Steve. You there you go.
I'm going to try.
Put your middle finger between.
Go on, tell me how.
Use your middle finger like so.
Well, you haven't got a middle finger in there.
No, well, don't use your middle finger. Just use them like a pair of pliers. Have you ever worked with pliers?
No, I'll let you do that. There you go.
There you go. That's the way you do it. Now get rid of your fork.
No, I'd rather do that.
Use the chopsticks.
God.
You're very disrespecting the Vietnamese. They've supplied you with personal chopsticks
And they supplied me with a fork.
because they thought you were a numpty.
They're right.
Don't be a numpty.
I can't use this. It's tricky as fuck.
Why not?
It's really tricky.
I'll show you how to eat your food.
You don't. Well, you don't. You go for it. Oh, I say you went for a mushroom and then you nicked my duck.
That's nice. What you got, Steve? It's like sweet. Like coconut or something.
Yes, it is.
I've got
Healthy.
healthy food, yeah.
No, I'm giving up on this one. Stop down. To about the fork.
Oh God, I feel so embarrassed for you using a fork.
It's not bad.
The Last Supper.
Well, it's not really our last. We'll probably eat the
I have
kebab.
many more suppers, but
Yeah, and a kebab on the way home, obviously.
Vietnamese food is messy.
Only with chopsticks.
No, but however you eat this, it's going to be messy. I mean, look at it. It's all like stringy and that. Nobody can eat this kind of food like
With chopsticks.
apart from me.
Okay, Daniel.
God. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Really nice.
God, it took us how many days to find a bloody Vietnamese or bit Thai food?
What was yours? $11.90? $12.90?
$13.90 and everything on the menu is $13.90. But they really rushed us to order and I was just going mad for Thai food, especially prawns.
I wanted the $17.91, but he rushed me.
You did, like, you rushed you. See what I mean? So easy.
You're not a fan of rice, though, are you?
Nah, don't like rice.
I love rice, mate.
I hate rice. And I'm a messy eater, but he's not a messy eater.
Well, half the food's in your bag.
In my bag.
Keep dropping it.
Stop lying. No, it's not.
Mm-mm-mm.
Do you know what it is, Steve? It's absolutely beautiful.
It's nice. Good flavours.
I'll make Nick some of yours.
It's only rice left now.
Oh, I know. It's not that great, yours. How much was yours? $13.90.
$13.90.
Everything was $13.90, wasn't it?
That's $11.90, $12.90.
€13.90 at the Vietnamese. I didn't even know what it's called because it's our last night.
Viet something, wasn't it? Oh, there you go.
What's it called?
Mandalik? I don't know, it's 3 different names there.
It wouldn't matter anyway because I very much doubt you'll come here, but for 30 quid return and $13.90 for our last supper, it's extraordinary. I spend more on Wetherspoons, wouldn't you, on a day out?
No?
No, because we don't go there unless we're travelling.
It's not bad.
I think I could be done well. I just wanted
Want
to
some
look
juice?
like bloody vegetarian to me.
No, I've eaten all the duck. Oh, don't give the last bit of duck. Yeah, I knew you would.
My chopsticks have stopped working all of a sudden. It didn't seem to work with rice and milk. Ooh, I got it.
You got the last bit.
Wow. Wow. 10 out of 10 for the Vietnamese in Slovakia. Spent most of the day in the bloody hospital with my mozzie bites. We've spent more on drugs for the mozzie bites than I've spent on food and alcohol. That's not a lie.
I have.
You have.
Yeah.
He has. Oh, wow. I don't eat it all, I regret it.
I'm eating a lot.
Even much less tastes good, Steve. Have a go. Yeah.
It's salad. Salad and bits, yours?
A fork and a chopstick?
Yeah, yeah.
God.
I'm different.
I thought you were a posh boy. You don't even know how to use your chopsticks. You obviously haven't eaten out very much.
I prefer mine. Oh, it's nice. Nice end. Yeah.
Isn't it? It's bloody lovely. I'm so glad we found it. Oh.
It was the wrong one. But it'll do. And Jackie's new top.
Jackie's new top, second-hand shop, charity shop. Boom,
Yeah.
boom.
Boom, boom. Right.
It was terrible, like we had to eat, well I didn't, Steve had to walk miles for an ATM because they don't take a debit card. It's a good job I had no cash on us, like I could have emptied the shop. I really could have.
I did have cash on me. I had €4.80 left.
But you went to Cashback and you would have took €4.80, it's a bloody charity shop. The bad thing about it is I asked the guy if there was
Oh, yeah, stir-fried egg. Yeah, that's what it is.
what happened?
I'm just having a look around there. You can't do it. I'm watching you, you. Come on, come on.
I'm getting down to drag ends.
Yeah.
That's why I'm struggling.
Okay, do you want to give this a rating then?
9 out of 10.
Oh, I'm going 8.7.
Steve, was only €13, man. What you only get what you pay for, dear. 13 fucking euros.
Go on, go on.
For a Vietnamese, cost you 50 quid in Bishop this.
We haven't got Vietnamese.
Well, what have we got? A
We got
Thai
Thai
restaurant.
restaurant, which-
Aye, and how much that cost? 100 quid.
No, it's quite cheap there. It's all right.
Go on, have a go. Hey! Well done.
Healthy food for you.
It is. I need healthy food. I love it.
Right, and I think that's a review.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Review. Until later. Ciao.